morning and welcome to Coffee Talk with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I like to come in here and have a second cup of coffee with you because I can. And I want to talk just a little bit about systems. We've been talking about spring cleaning, and it is such a fantastic time of year, but it's a lot of work. And if you have a job and children and animals and all the things, then it can be a lot of work. And maybe just the thought of it is like, what? Where do I start? So I want to encourage you to consider a system. Systems are wonderful because once you put them in place, you don't have to think about them ever again. So a very, very simple idea of a system is if you take your coffee with cream and sugar, you have a system in place to make sure you always have cream and sugar in the house. And you never even think twice about it because it's a system. So spring cleaning can be a system that you put in place throughout the entire year, and you do it a little bit at a time, which is very Nest Pretty. So what I do on a regular basis, however, this year is going to be different because I'm moving, which means spring cleaning is going to get done all at once. I regress. However, I have this sheet that I print up. It's a weekly chore list. And I put it on the counter because I want everyone to know what's been done. You know, just in case somebody wants to pitch in and help a little bit, they can look at the chart and see, oh, okay, she hasn't dusted anything. Let me do that. On the side, however, I have a list of spring cleaning where I divide the house into the 12 months of the year. And then I just 1 month at a time go through my house, do the spring cleaning little by little. Now, some rooms are bigger than others. Like the kitchen is big. You know, you have all those cabinets, all the things. And so rooms like that, you can break down even by the week and say, okay, first week I'm going to do this area, second week I'm going to do this area, third week that area. And you have it as a system so that you're like, oh, I have 15 minutes. Let me spring clean this area. Check it off the list. Anytime I can check something off the list is amazing. Now, when you're spring cleaning, let's say you're going to go into, I have a pantry. Let's say the pantry. It's so awesome to have something like this. Donate. Trash. That's pretty self-explanatory. Relocate. And as you go through the pantry, you can pull the things out, decide right then and there, do I want it? Is this thing useful? Is it beautiful? Excuse me. Is it something I have used? If it doesn't stand up, then you can decide, will I donate it, trash it, or is it something that doesn't even belong in the pantry and needs to be relocated? Having labels like this helps you to stay on track, helps you to remember what pile is what. And then once you clean inside the pantry and put everything back, you know that your pantry is clean and only has things in it that belong in the pantry, that you love, that is useful, items that you use. I know I did it recently with my linen closet, and it was just awesome. You know, pulled everything out and I had my 3 piles. And just made the decision. And once I put it back, oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Now, I do use some essential oils. Rosemary, clarity. These are oils that can help you to kind of stay on track and also make good decisions quickly, because you're like focusing on one thing. So those are my ideas for you to create a system for your spring cleaning so that you're not overwhelmed by it. Divide your house up between 12 months, and if the project is bigger than a month, then you can divide it up between the weeks. And then have your little labels ready so that you can quickly make decisions. Donate, trash, relocate, and go from there. I wish you success in your spring cleaning. And I hope you have a fantastic day.